life without science and technology? My name is Akshay Pranshu, studying in Laurel High Global School. So this is my agenda for this presentation. Introduction, timeline, conclusion, queries, and acknowledgement. Introduction. Science. Knowledge about the natural world that is based on facts, learning through experiments and observations. Technology is basically an application of science which can be used through devices and tools. Timeline view. In the ancient days, the first invention was fire. Without fire, can you imagine having your favorite food, Maggi or pasta? So fire is a really important invention. Second, in the 5000 BC, the wheel was invented. Can you imagine cars and bikes without wheels? No. So wheels was also a major invention. And these are the other inventions on the line, such as gunpowder, car, electric lamp, airplane, personal computer, and rockets. Conclusion. Through history, science and technology has evolved and made human life more and more comfortable. As you see, there are new inventions almost on a daily basis to simplify things. Any queries? I sincerely thank Abhiramani ma'am for helping me to improve my vocabulary and presentation skills. Thank you, everybody.